Zaga, this is Beenie Man representing for Live to Party JA. Remember, Live to Party JA. Every day, we party in JA. Zaga.
This girl walking on me life with a crazy motion love that you found. Why don't you think about a girl can't take me stride? No way, on a polygon, been around. Number one's got wants it, everybody down. Everybody put it up. Put it out to the back. Can I hear something? Everybody ready? Pay my bill. Hush, hush. Everybody run and put your bands and go so. Everybody run Miss Five Cartel, go so. Hush. When you can't do something in your way, do this. Sing up. Them tell one more girl eyes on up. But I just see outside. Everybody wanna be on the phone and come and keep your hand in your pocket. Everybody wanna be on the phone and come and keep your hand in your pocket. Everybody is do so. Hush. 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 Everybody knows that they pass the exam. I'm just going to wave on do this. Hush. Sang di bidi bideng badang badang ding babali bidi bideng badang badang. Bad sing bad dibi deba debe. Everybody pass the exam. We're going to win now, yes sir. Hush. Argument. Hush. Everybody remember people close on your time. The police them and the government uniform they have and don't wait for no one. Everybody else wait for no one so now you know. And just so, we never you know what it is. Let's see the bullshit in here. Let's see the murder in here. They keep telling what they talk. We never you know what you're in now. Yes, someone can wait till the night time to get up. You see we? Man, our time clean and the time. Look at the brand. You know how I got you. You're the black. It's your set for one time. Put it in the heart of our blood. Hush. And the Beenie Man fans in there. Okay. Memories. Surrender. Everybody wait for no one now. You take me down the what's on the board then. Give me the girl with the wickedest now. Man, if you give me the girl with the wickedest now. Let me see a girl look good. Me have it. Come in and leave over short foot. So me have the box her. And she jumping up. And up girl me have a pass through. Like. And the one hear this song. Man for ya. Enough girl. Girl in a box. Enough girl. None of them must take up. I'll get to you to take the example. Enough girl and none of them must. And it's all about. And clap your hands. If you're sexy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're sexy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you know you're sexy, hush. If you know you hold your man to hand. If you know you hold your man to hand. If you know you hold your man, and you know say you're strong, and you know you hold your man, clap your hands. My girl, do this. You have ambitious people who think about what they want to do. Then you have ambitious people who get up and be who they are supposed to be. Everybody who know what they want to be. Wait for the one that yes. Read it, please. From a band, me know some never be superstar. We start DJ from your 5-year-old. Remember this. When I never was a chain, I never take a back. People never see a whole of my dog and check a bit. Every day I been on the road, never for it. Nothing here can have a time for it. Every day you see me, but I'm gonna be a blast. I me want a nigga, so me want a glass. Me want a sexy, me want a now. Never watch everything every year we are on the city hard work. Let me do for me career. Never wonder what me. Everybody when you want my way for no one that yes or no. Feel me hard. Big up my new phone friend, Particular. Big up my DJ, Vibe Carter. Just go on and go. You can run it with it. Shout it down. Fans DJ for me. I'll be the only DJ for me, please. Do this. We started the year with the flash cranberry week. Satellite, yeah. Find me one, they can come here, me one. Drink to the got me in there. After the flash, let me move to the. Tell him I'm again to the. big up all the new students. One big up all the visitors to the University of the West Indies. Big up all the visitors in Jamaica who come to the University of the West Indies. Respect and love our manners. Respect and love our manners. Respect and love our manners. Can I see all the Beenie Man fans who have here today?